Pinarangalan ng GMA Network ng isa sa pinaka-respetadong journalism recognition program sa bansa, ang Pro Patria Journalism Awards. Nakatutok si Von Aquino.
Pinarangalan bilang Television Station of the Year ang GMA Network sa Rotary Club of Manila Pro Patria Journalism Awards 2026. Kinilala ng isa sa pinakarespetadong journalism recognition program sa bansa ang mga taga-media na nagsisilbi sa bayan, itinataguyod ang katotohanan, pinapagtibay ang demokrasya at isinusulong ang pagiging makabayan sa pamamagitan ng responsableng pagbabalita.
Through its commitment to truth, public service, and impactful journalism, GMA Network continues to set the standard for broadcast excellence in the Philippines. Congratulations, GMA Network!
Ang parangal tinanggap ni GMA News Officer in Charge at Vice President for News Programs and Specials, Michelle S. Seva.
This recognition belongs to the thousands of men and women across the Kapuso Network. It also belongs to the millions of Filipinos who turn to GMA in moments of triumphs and in moments of loss. Their trust is a privilege we never take for granted.
Dagdag pa ni Seva, lumalakas ang demokrasya kapag may access ang mga mamamayan sa mga mapagkakatiwalaang impormasyon. Ang parangal-anyang ito ay nagpapaalala na ang kalayaan ng mga mamamahayag ay hindi maihihiwalay sa kalayaan ng ating mga mamamayan.
For freedom is sustained not only by those who fought for it, but also by the institutions that help keep it strong. A free and responsible press is one of those institutions. Asahan po ninyo na kami sa GMA News, dito po sa GMA Network, ay mananatiling walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektahan, noon at ngayon, serbisyong totoo.
Pinarangalan naman bilang Television Broadcaster of the Year si award-winning Kapuso journalist Atong Araulio.
Journalism nowadays is a very difficult job to do. Facts are being challenged, disinformation is everywhere, and public discourse can sometimes be more distracting than illuminating. But our job remains the same, to ask questions, to follow the evidence wherever it leads, and to make sure that the voice of ordinary people aren't drowned out by the noise.
I hope we will maintain the kind of level, and the level of journalism, the truthful reporting that we undertake day in, day out, dahil you more than anyone else know that this is what we need in our country today.
Von Aquino, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.